Let's learn English with a fun new story.
What a beautiful day for a hike. Everyone stay together.
Look, a deer. I want to see it closer.
Stay on the path, Sam. Don't wander off.
Just a little closer. So cool. Wait, where's the path? Mom? Dad?
Where's Sam?
He was right behind us.
Sam? Sam!
Sam! Can you hear us?
Please come back, Sam.
I have to find the path before dark. I can do this.
It's so dark, but I won't cry. I'll be brave.
Dad said, if I'm lost, stay in one place. Stay calm. Make a signal.
We split up and keep calling. We WIL find him.
Hold on, Sam. We're coming.
Sam! Make a noise if you hear us!
I'm here! I'm over here!
There, I see his light. Sam!
We're coming, son! Hold on!
I stayed calm, just like Dad said. Oh, my brave boy. We found you.
You were so brave, Sam. But always stay on the path.
I will. And I remembered to stay calm.